106 degrees out right now. It feels like it with a little breeze, got probably 15-mile-an-hour wind, and feels like a hairdryer on steroids. I think it's a good day to go do a little mowing with the skid loader setting in AC. I had some old trails from when I was a kid back behind the pond that goes on the property lines. There's some elm trees that fell down that are dead and 7-foot tall weeds back there. I drove my 4-wheel drive back there the other day, a 4-wheeler, and it was pretty rough, so I figure I'd go clean them up. Just feel like I'm doing something productive. We'll go ahead and get the AC going and give it 10 minutes to cool down here. Well, it's hotter than Satan's scrotum out here, but we're just gonna get comfortable and ride it out, I guess. Just for a few days. I'm going to go grease this. It's been 12 hours since it was greased. I got a pin squeaking, and I've never had them squeak on this, and I've went longer than that without greasing it, so. She's whining, she wants grease. Put a little grease in her and go move a couple trees. There's probably 500 elm trees that are 1.5 inches or smaller around I need to take out. I could mow them off, but I probably can't mow them short enough to keep from getting flat tires on 4-wheelers and stuff. So we'll probably dig them out and put the dirt back down. Oh, right here in the shade, this looks good. So, okay. My windshield's not very clean, but some of these trees are 20 foot tall, and a lot of them are 1 inch away from each other, a bunch of piss elms, so there's a bunch of them. They're not very big. Like I said, I'd probably mow them off, but then I'd have to worry about tires. So, let's see here. If I can hold the camera to do a little bit, I might not be able to. And I can put you outside in the heat, but I'd hate to do that to my worst enemy as hot as it is. I'm just gonna push my way through here and see what we got when we get in. Hey, it's shady in here. Maybe I'll just hang out back here. Oh, there's a bigger tree. But we're gonna get our way right on through there. About 5 minutes of work, we got our way through here. This is the way it comes in over here. So my windshield's horribly dirty. We got it about 7 foot wide, so that's good enough. At least it's shady back here, nice and cool in here, so I won't complain, just like sitting in the house. A little bit rough, yeah. Need to do some smoothing. Now, I'll go right down through here. Got some of the trees cleared with the bucket. Good enough, I guess. So now we'll get the old homemade mower out and run down here and make a couple passes through the tall grass and call it a day. Man, it's miserable. I got out just to hook the hydraulic hoses up to this loader and broke a sweat. Dang near had a heat stroke. This will start right in here mowing somewhere. This will be good as any, I guess. anyway, got all that done, and we'll just do a quick pass through here on the four-wheeler. Skid loader's a little rough, and I got done on the other side, didn't want to go all the way back through, so I just ran one pass through here real quick like. I just felt like putting one through here. Normally I just ride through the pasture, but a couple things I needed to move along the way, I'll just bring you guys with me. The fence post here. Alright. Obviously this is where we started earlier. Put a good many hours back here when I was a kid. That's pretty much all it consists of, but when you're a kid it feels like a 5-mile trail back there, like Appalachian Bay. So I appreciate you guys watching. That'll be a wrap for my Sunday.